The most iconic places on Earth. Every major airport in the US. National treasures. NFL games. The Final Four. Schools, the Olympics, Congress, courtrooms, casinos, and concerts by the biggest artists of our time. All proudly secured by Garrett. Every day, millions are kept safe and sound around the globe thanks to the Garrett handheld scanners and walk-through detectors. The unmistakable yellow emblazoned Garrett Super Scanner has become an icon of security. What started in 1984 at the Los Angeles Olympics when Charles Garrett was asked for his expertise to secure the games continues to this day. With more accuracy, more detecting capabilities, more patents, and more power than ever. And now, the next generation of security has arrived. Meet the Guide, reshaped and reimagined to set a bold new standard for the future. Sleek and modern, 7 sensitivity levels and enhanced interference immunity help you get the job done. Discreet lighting, waterproof, rugged, rechargeable smart battery, and always made in America. The Guide is here to make your clientele feel more secure than ever and look great doing it. Welcome to the new generation of security. Garrett.